Hey everyone, welcome back to the Savvy Smart Frugal. If this is your first video view of this channel, welcome. Today, I want to talk about something that has been a game changer for me and my finances, frugality. I know what you're thinking. Frugal? That just means being cheap, right? Wrong. Frugality is all about being smart with your money so you can live the life you want without going broke. In this video, I'll be sharing some of my favorite frugality hacks that will help you save money while still living your best life. So let's jump right in. 1. What is frugality and why is it important? Frugality is the art of being mindful and intentional with your spending. It means cutting back on unnecessary expenses and focusing on what truly brings value to your life. The importance of frugality is that it allows you to take control of your finances and prioritize your spending. When you have a clear idea of what you want and what you need, it becomes easier to make smart financial decisions. 2. Frugality versus cheapness. Now let's talk about the difference between frugality and cheapness. Being cheap means focusing solely on the price of something, regardless of the quality or value. Frugality, on the other hand, means finding ways to save money without sacrificing quality or value. It's about being smart with your money, not just being stingy, and that's what we're all about on this channel. Living in a way that brings you value and joy. 3. Bust the myth. Create ways to save money. One of the most effective ways to save money is by being mindful of your grocery budget. You can save big by planning your meals ahead of time, buying in bulk, and using coupons. Try using meal planners to plan for a week's worth of meals. Also, be mindful to prepare meals that you can easily freeze and simply reheat for another time. Try using Pinterest for tons of great ideas on meal planning. One common myth about frugality is that it means sacrificing luxury, but that couldn't be further from the truth. Frugality is all about finding ways to enjoy life without breaking the bank. For example, instead of going out to an expensive restaurant, why not try cooking a gourmet meal at home? Check out sites such as Epicurus, Better Homes and Gardens, and of course my favorite, Pinterest. Eating out at fancy restaurants can be expensive, but you can still enjoy gourmet meals without breaking the bank. You can use websites like Groupon or Living Social to find deals on restaurants in your area. Another way to save money is by finding ways to lower your utility bills. This could mean turning off lights when you leave a room, using energy-efficient appliances, or even adjusting your thermostat a few degrees. DIY projects are another great way to save money. You can make your own cleaning products, beauty products, and even furniture. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have fun doing it. Again, Pinterest is one of the best platforms on learning how to create simple DIY projects and getting tons of money-saving ideas for yourself and your home. 4. Tips for enjoying life while saving money. Living frugally doesn't mean you have to deprive yourself of all the things you love. It just means finding creative ways to enjoy them. Shopping for fashion. One of the biggest misconceptions about fashion is that you need to spend a lot of money to look good, but that's simply not true. You can find great deals on clothing at discount stores or by shopping during sales. You can also revamp your wardrobe by repurposing old clothes or by adding accessories to create new looks. You can use websites like ThredUp and Poshmark to buy secondhand designer clothes at a fraction of the price. You can also sign up for email lists or follow fashion bloggers on social media to get notified of sales and discounts. Traveling on a budget. Traveling can be expensive, but there are many ways to save money while still enjoying your trip. You can use websites like Skyscanner, Kayak, and Hopper, one of my favorites, to find cheap flights and accommodations. You can also travel during off-peak seasons, book group tours, or stay at hostels to save money. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a more in-depth video on traveling on a budget. In fact, take a moment now to like, comment, and share this video. I certainly would appreciate it. 5. The real benefits of living frugally. Remember, when you adopt a frugal lifestyle, you learn to prioritize your spending and avoid unnecessary expenses. This can help you save money and pay off debt faster. Moreover, frugal living can help you build an emergency fund and invest in your future. By reducing your expenses, you can live within your means and create a sustainable financial plan for the long term. Financial freedom can also give you peace of mind, allowing you to focus on what truly matters in life. The next benefit of frugal living is reduced stress and anxiety. Living paycheck to paycheck or being in debt can be extremely stressful, and it can take a toll on your mental health. By adopting a frugal lifestyle, you can reduce your financial stress and anxiety. You will feel more in control of your finances and have a better understanding of your spending habits. This can lead to a more positive outlook on life and an overall sense of well-being. And lastly, the benefit of frugal living is a better quality of life. Many people believe that frugal living means sacrificing luxury, but that is not true. In fact, frugal living can help you enjoy life more by focusing on experiences rather than material possessions. For example, instead of buying expensive gadgets or clothes, you can travel on a budget and explore new places. You can also enjoy gourmet meals without breaking the bank by cooking at home or finding inexpensive restaurants. Additionally, you can stay fashionable without spending a fortune by shopping during sales or clothes swapping. Frugal living can help you prioritize what truly matters in life, such as relationships, personal growth, and experiences. To summarize, frugal living can lead to financial freedom, reduce stress and anxiety, and a better quality of life. By adopting a frugal lifestyle, you can prioritize your spending, avoid unnecessary expenses, and focus on what truly matters in life. I encourage you to apply these tips in your daily life and see the positive impact it can have. Remember, frugal living does not mean sacrificing luxury, but rather finding ways to enjoy life while saving money. So subscribe to this channel for more money-saving tips. Don't forget to like, comment, and click that notification bell. Also, click the link in our description to learn about our exclusive monthly newsletter for personalized savings tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.